You're watching BrianRhodesTV. Today we're installing black carbon fiber exhaust tips on my C8.
You are watching a master at work.
Let's take a look at the tools required to do the installation. First, take the Dremel tool and put it back in your toolbox. It's going to take much too long to cut these tips with this Dremel tool. I use the HERCULES die grinder from Harbor Freight with Lenox metal diamond cutting disc. You're going to need 4 of these discs, 1 for each tip. It's probably going to take 3 to 4 minutes to cut off each tip, so be patient. BHT flame proof paint and masking tape. The link for the tools are listed below. You want to cut in front of this inner ring that I'm showing here. I'm painting the tips to prevent rust, and I didn't want the silver to show on the inside of the exhaust tips. Make sure you put masking tape on your tips to prevent them from getting scratched. I would also put masking tape around the exhaust opening, just in case your wrench slips. The exhaust bracket bolts should be facing inward. This allows more clearance for your ratchet or open-end wrench. Line up the tip, hold in place, and then tighten the bolt. Notice the bolts are facing inward. Remove the masking tape and repeat on the other side. This is before and after. I like how these exhaust tips look. I like the all blacked out look. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll try to do a new mod every week on the channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.